Hello everybody, today I will do a recap of my Artifact 25-26 box. I opened this box on release day, September 24th. So it will be short and sweet, a short video. This box contains 8 packs and it's 4 cards per pack. So it will be short and sweet. Bonjour, aujourd'hui on va ouvrir, je vais faire un récapitulatif de ma boîte Artefact 25-26 que j'ai ouvert le jour de la sortie, le 24 septembre. Ça va être une courte vidéo. Let me 1 minute. So we have a card of the day. La carte du jour. On va dire bonjour à la carte du jour. Bonjour. Oh là là. Bonjour. Bonjour. C'est la... It's DEMIDOV Rookie. That's the card of the day. Okay, so wait a minute for the recap of my box. Okay, so we will start with the base cards, and at the end I'll show you the 8 hits, because in this box we have 1 hit per pack. So 8 hits. I will show you the 8 hits. On a un hit. On a un hit par paquet, donc il y a 8 paquets, donc ça va faire les 8 hits à la fin. Je vais vous montrer ça à la fin. Ok. On va commencer avec les bases. Ça va être une courte vidéo. It will be short and sweet. It will be a short video. Okay. Okay. The base. Okay. Perfetti. Endersley, Faber, Newhook, Lundell, Veragi, Ekholm, Orvat, Ronek, Sergachev, Zary, Carlson, Eskanen, Markstrom, Gauthier, Scheifele, okay, Trevor Moore, Logan Thompson, Caulfield, Neighbors, Rantanen, Taves, okay, wait a minute, Taves, that's the base, wait a minute, okay. Now the hits. We have 8 hits in this box. 1 per pack. Okay. The first hit, Vasilevsky Ruby Red, number to 599. Okay. That's the first hit. Ruby Red. Second hit, Marchesso Platinum Sparkle, number to 99. Platinum Sparkle, number to 99. That's the second hit. Okay. Third, and I have 3 rookies. Okay, donc Oliver Moore on the Artifacts rookies, number to 999. Yes, number to 999. Oliver Moore. Elias Pettersson rookies, number to 999, and a Ruby Red rookies, Jack Finley, number to 599. Okay, so we are at 6 hits. Rookies, Ruby Red, Pettersson rookies, it's a hit. Rookies, Oliver Moore, another hit. Marchesso, Platinum Sparkle, Vasilevsky, Ruby Red, 6. No, it's 5. We are at, yes, it's 5. Okay, yes, okay. So we have 5 hits. 3 hits left for this box. Okay. Mark Stone Remnants jersey. That's the 6th hit of this box. Another hit. Oram, Jack Eichel. Okay. Jack Eichel. And the last hit. Yes, I got pretty lucky. The last hit of this box. Are you ready? Yes, I pulled. Are you ready? Yes, I pulled. I don't know if you're ready. Yes. Yes, I pulled it. This card on September 24th on release day. DEMIDOV jersey auto. Gold material auto, numbered to 199. I will show you. Wait a minute. Okay, gold material auto, 163 on 199. Okay. 163 on 199. Okay. You see it? Gold material auto. So that was my artifact 25-26 box. Thanks for watching.